Yes, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. Today guys, I'm going to react on another adventure of Beanie. So this is actually part 2. I was done with part 1 of their Beanie adventures in Manila, episode 1 that was in Luneta. So I'm gonna watch the part 2. They're going to Intramuros. So I'm gonna watch it today. Let's go guys. Okay.
Mabuhay! Nakikilala mo kami. Kami. That's it? Come on.
Oh, first off, I was actually told, because I wondered why Colette was actually crying during their first episode in Luneta. So Colette was not actually expecting that there are blooms during the time joining them, because that was actually the time that they thought that they don't have supporters, something like that. So yeah, Colette's very emotional in that matter. So it's unimaginable for me that Colette is an emotional person, because I see that she is strong. I mean, stronger than the other members, and yet she's the one who's being so emotional in during that time. So yeah, that was the reason. Thank you so much for actually telling me the reason behind that. Anyway,
It's very rocky, huh? Para sa'yo, para sa'yo to! We love you, Blooms! And you're watching the Beanie Road Trip Adventure!
okay. Intramuros. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Kung trip mo mag-travel habang may natututunan, and kung trip mo mag-travel for the food, fashion, culture, and heritage, well, we have a travel vlog just for you! Yay! Makitour kasama namin habang
Ang
binabalikan
ganda
ng
din
mga
nila na. I mean, they also are best in MCing.
100-year-old
Or,
stars
hosting something.
dito sa sikat na Walled City ng Maynila!
Oh, diba? I didn't know that. Walled City pala yung
I'm Bini
Intramuros.
Sheena. I'm Bini Mika. I'm Bini Joanna. I'm Bini Gwen. I'm Bini Colette. I'm Bini Malay. I'm Bini Aya. And we are Bini! And you're watching the Bini Road Trip Adventures! Welcome to Intramuros!
Oh, diba? Para itong heritage site.
Yeah, we are here sa Baluarte de San Diego! Dito tayo, okay? Yeah. Let's go here. Nabanggit na pwede pala ditong mag-rent para for wedding or pang birthdays.
Ooh.
I-shoot ka namin.
Ano ba
Hindi. As in canon, yung bazooka yung nalalagay dito sa shoulder.
Ooh.
Walang sarap. Gusto ko ng secret hideout.
Feeling ko sobrang romantic feels yung place na paggabi. Kasi may mga lights, Ay, ang ganda
Oh.
paggabi.
Yes, let's go!
Oh, siguro maganda dyan paggabi.
Puntahan na natin kasi super excited na kami.
Okay. Oh, there are birds there. I'm not sure what birds are those. I was also told that Colette is actually, I think, the most talented of all of them. Diba? Galing niyang mag-guitar.
Lahat ng to sa ating papalitan. Sa bawat alaala ating
So they're gonna perform this song?
Bini, B-I-N-I. Dito na lang ating ko. Ngunit ako'y nagkakailan. Sarap ng magbasa, di maiulit. Lahat ng to sa atin nagpapag-iba. Sa bawat alaala ating itawala. Ilang sikot ng daan ang dinaanan, luhat bawat sa ating inilaan. Lahat ng to ay aming nalampasan, mga alaan ang ating pinanghahawakan. Walang imposible, positibo lang palagi, walang makakapigil, tiwala sa sarili. Dito sa bagong bahay.
Ooh. Galing.
Yes, kung gusto niyo pang libutin ang buong Intramuros pero pagod na kayong maglakad, pwede tayong mag-rent ng bike. Yeah. Hindi siya ordinary na bike lang. Kasi
Ah.
siya, bum bike siya.
Ah.
Bum bike. Bum bike.
Bum bike.
Bum bike.
What's bike?
Kasi gawain sa Kalayan.
Ooh, that's why it's bike. It's made of bamboo.
Bamboo bike? Yeah, so itatry natin yung ngayon.
Meron bang ganyan?
Astig! Diba? Ayan na!
Tingnan mo, hindi mo ma-imagine na pwede pala siyang gawing bicycle. So, sobrang gandang
Ooh.
idea ng ganito. Truly.
Wow, ang galing.
Truly!
Kasama
It's improvised.
po natin ngayon si Sir Jonathan. So, bakit po tinatawag po na bum bike?
Ang bikes na to is gawa sa kawayan, no? Bamboo. Matagal siyang gawin, so around 3 to 5 months para
Ooh.
makabuo ng frame. Meron siyang metal parts, oo, para magkasya yung parts na makikita natin sa market. At
Mm.
iba yan kasi chemically treated para hindi siya masira ng araw saka ng ulan.
Pwede po,
Mm.
kami po ang mag-rent lang po or may kasama pong tour guide. Yung
Meron kaming ino-offer no, na guided bike tour, pero meron din naman kami na bike rentals na.
ano pong tawag sa mga tour guide niyo po?
Bambassador po yung tawag namin sa
Wow.
Ayun, Blue.
Diba? Puro bambassadors. Ganun.
Narinig nyo. So kung pupunta kayo dito sa Intramuros at pagod na kayo maglakad, pwede kayong mag-rent ng bum bike.
Okay.
Yes. Tara na, thank you po.
That's so fun.
Guys, gusto ko na lang mag-ice cream. Ayoko na to. Kasi kung ano, hindi na lang ako sasali. Hindi na lang ako sasali. Lakad mo, lakad. Sasali.
Okay, so who's marunong magbike? All of them?
Oh my God, Mega! Oh my God, Mix. You're doing good.
Uh,
Colette! Masaya pala.
oh,
Kanina
diba?
kasi nakakaba. Oh. Hi po! Sa kaliwa, makita niyo po ang Manila. Cathedral. Cathedral. Manila Cathedral. Ayan. Anong one hand?
Parang naging katig pa, no? Katigral.
Wag! Pag tayo na Dubai.
Flashback.
Okay.
Kami nahulog kami!
actually have watched this clip.
End of flashback.
We got this golden era.
O, diba? Kahit saan talaga, they vocalize. Ang saya.
So may kita niyo po dito ang Palacio del Gobernador. Next
Oh.
time sa vlog. Ha!
Ang galing, natutour nila.
Oh, so this is Plazuela de Santa Isabel. Wow! Dito nga, dyan kami nagkain.
Ang mga names din, no? Spanish.
Diyan kami nagsimba. Ito rin, ang ganda rin. Ang gaganda ng mga dito, mga
Oh, na-preserve talaga yung place, no?
buildings. Hey, hi, Gwenny! Kamusta? Ako lang, siya lang.
Feeling ko pag makalabas ako, tapos loner, i-date ko sarili ko dito.
Minsan talaga okay na mag-isa ka din eh. Kasi nakakaiwas sakit. Gusto hugot.
Ang galing. All of them can bike. Oh, ang ganda.
Ang sakit ng paa ko nang kakalakad dito. Alaki pala ng Intramuros, no? Pero you know, my heart is so full knowing the Filipino-Spanish structures in here. It's so nice.
And kung taga Maynila, taga probinsya o galing ka pa sa ibang bansa, sana po mapuntahan nyo ang Intramuros. Kung ano man po tayo ngayon bilang Pilipino, yan po ay dahil sa mga kwentong nabuo sa loob ng halos 500 taon na nasaksihan at nakaukit pa po sa dingding ng Intramuros. But wait! There's more! More lakaran adventures and our heritage discoveries sa ating next stop over! Ako po si Bini Joanna.
It's Bini Aya, Bini Colette,
I'm Bini Malay.
Bini Gwen,
Bini Sheena.
I'm Bini Stacy,
I'm Bini Miko.
and we are Bini!
Makibalik po ulit kayo sa
Oh,
ating
that's it?
susunod na The Bini Road Trip Adventure!
Wow, ang galing.
Let's go!
Ang saya. Okay, so that's the Bine Road Trip Adventures in Manila episode 2, and that's Intramuros. So that's so great, you know. Ang galing din nilang mag-present ng views. Tapos I didn't know that all of them can bike, if I'm not mistaken. Parang hindi nagbike si Stacy. So I just think that Stacy is not into biking, cycling. It's so fun, and I think they are the best ambassadors for tourism, you know. So their adventure is actually in cooperation with the Department of Tourism Philippines. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for actually watching this episode. I'm gonna watch the episode 3 of the road trip adventures in Manila. So for now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.